this is how to clean the Cappuccinatore milk frothing unit. We're going to go into menu, user menu, technical menu. We're going to pick user menu, okay. User menu, brew group cleaning or Cappuccinatore cleaning. We're going to scroll down, Cappuccinatore cleaning, hit okay. We're going to start cleaning, hit okay. Pour detergent into the container. We're going to open up the refrigerator. We're going to take out our container. We're going to pour our detergent into the container. We're going to take our milk tube and put it down through the container. This will be filled with a ½ liter of water, as the screen tells us to. It says pour detergent in a container with a ½ liter of water and press OK. Press OK. Put the Cappuccinatore tube in the container and press OK. We've done that. OK. Place the container under the dispenser and press OK. OK. And the Cappuccinatore cleaning has begun. Just continue to follow the prompts and you'll be good to go.